Hello there. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please do not forget to subscribe and click the bell button, and that way you won't miss any new videos from me. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to merge cells in Microsoft Excel. So first, you need to open your Microsoft Excel. And here, this is how it looks like once you'll open it. Now, for us to merge some cells in Microsoft Excel, you need to select the specific cells that you want to merge. Let's just say the second one right here up until the sixth one. For you to merge these cells right here, you need to go under this option right here, which is alignment. So under alignment, you'll see several options that you may click. Since we are going to merge this, hover your cursor right here, and then here's an option for you to merge and center. You can also click the drop box. If you don't want the cells to be centered, you can just simply click merge cell. And there, as you can see it here, it is already merged. But if you want these cell to be merged and center, then you need to click that one, merge and center. And there, you can also merge across if you like the merge cells. There, that's how you merge cells in Microsoft Excel. I do hope this video helped you. See you on my next videos, and bye for now.